What's going on, fellow squids? I am about to head out for a little practice at the lot. I'm gonna do my usual practice for the Pennsylvania exam, driver's exam, and then I'm gonna head out into the city for a little riding around, practicing at stoplights, stop signs, watching my following distance behind cars, all that good stuff that Dan teaches. So let's hit the road. So here's a recap from episode 1, if you haven't seen it yet. I am a new rider. This is my first season riding, 2021. I have my permit. I went out and got my permit, but I don't have my driver's license yet. So I'm practicing at our favorite lot. It's a pretty big lot, so you get to, you can change gears in that lot. It's big enough for you to change gears in it. And I'm practicing my U-turns, practicing figure eight, chicanes, that kind of stuff that will be required on the driving test. And I was also following Dan the fireman's techniques for driving in traffic, driving on the road. Keeping a safe following distance between you and the car in front. Making sure you stop to the left or the right behind the car ahead of you at intersections, and scanning your rear to make sure if anybody's coming up behind you and they're not paying attention, they don't hit you, because you'll be able to evade it by moving away from that vehicle in front of you and the one behind you by just simply turning your arms to the left or to the right. So I'm behind this car, keeping a safe following distance. I'm watching the car behind me. I can either move to the right or I can move to the left to get away if the car behind me doesn't stop. Is coming to a stop sign or a stoplight on hills, being able to put one foot down, one foot on the back brake to keep your lights on, so and also so your bike doesn't roll back. So you have one hand depressing the clutch, and one hand on the front brake. If you need to, you can also take it off. My foot's still on the brake, and I am covering my fuel. So this is a lot that we practice at. It's a pretty big lot. You're able to change at least 3 gears in here comfortable before you have to come off the pedal, before you have to come off the throttle. All right, let me see if I can do some figure eights out here. I'm gonna practice some figure eights, and then I'm gonna practice some chicanes, and then we're gonna hit the road. That was low. Almost lost it.
Hours later. Later.
I think that's enough practice for today, guys. Let's hit the road right around before it gets too late. Slowing down, watching the car behind me, keeping a safe following distance from the car in front. I'm on my rear brake. Now about to press the front brake. Watching this car from the right. Watching a Mercedes behind me. I'm coming down to a stop light, so I'm gonna start gearing down and I'm gonna start getting on the brakes, rear brake, front brake, and foot down, planted, foot on the brake, clutch in, throttle off, front brake holding, and release, foot up, change gear. I saw that car to my right. See the car coming out here on the left too. You gotta keep scanning. These roads out here are dangerous and you don't have a bubble or shield around you like these cars do. These cars have nothing but metal all around them and airbags. The chances of them surviving are a whole lot better than you. Watching that car to the right. Watching the stop light, watching my rear, scanning, keeping a safe following distance from the vehicle in front of me. Start slowing down. Everybody's slowing down. You may not see lights, but you can tell if people are slowing down in front of you. Oh, this guy was slowing down and he indicated left. So I'm gonna continue on straight. Watching my intersection, watching this guy from the left, watching this guy on the right. He's ready to come out in front of me. Mustang. I switched position. I went into first position. Now we have a car here on my right. Car just came out ahead of me, but I had enough following distance that it didn't even affect me. I just had to roll off of it. Scanning, car slowing down ahead of me, so I'm going to start rolling off and I'm going to start braking. I use my rear brake first and then I get to my front brakes. I ride so slow, it doesn't matter. I could use my rear brake and slow myself down and my engine. Slow myself down with the engine first by gearing down, slow myself down with my rear brake, and then I use my front brake last. If I was in a real sticky position, I would start using my front brake first, then my rear, and then I'll start hitting both simultaneously, bring myself to a complete stop. But at the speed I ride, I could use my engine first, rear second, front last. Yeah, that guy almost hit me. I had the presence of mind to swerve. I don't know how he didn't see me. I'm gonna blow my horn because we got two people coming left, one right, and a guy walking across the street. It's dangerous out here, man. These people will say they didn't see it. Oh, I didn't see it. So you gotta be careful out here. Watching my intersection. for a minute and let you guys enjoy the view. So I guess it's montage time. Alright guys, I'm at my destination. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in episode 3. So peace out.